Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix page isn't available at the moment right now, fix Instagram page. So to solve this problem, at first just go to settings and just go to apps, click on manage apps and search for Instagram. Here you can see Instagram. And in the bottom right here you can see clear data, just click on it. At first clear cache, then clear data. After clearing data, if problem isn't solved yet, just go to Play Store and just search for Instagram. In the Instagram app, here if you see an update, just update it immediately. And if you don't have the update, you can just uninstall Instagram and reinstall it again. Now if even after that the problem isn't solved yet, you can just join the beta, because the beta program has a new features that can just solve your problem. And if your problem isn't solved yet, you can just download Instagram Lite and use it. Just install this app and you can just use this app. This is similar as Instagram. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.